Hi everyone, let me introduce you to my friend. His name is Bob. Everyone say, hi Bob. Bob is 17 and lives with his parents in Canton, Michigan. Dresses nicely, of course. Texting while driving. It's a big problem in the United States today. Now, every day, Bob drives to school in his red car, and let me tell you, it is like no other. He takes Beck Road every day to get to school. He has a girlfriend, her name is Brittany. She has a dog named Kat, and unlike most couples, they met on Facebook. Like most girls, Brittany, she loves to drive to the mall, hang out with her boyfriend there like every other girl. Now, did you know 11 teens die every day from texting while driving? That's 3,000 teens every single year. Now, of course, Bob being the stud that he is, he decides to call up Brittany. Hey Brittany, you want to go to the mall?
Yeah, I'd love to.
With that response, of course, you know what's next. Bob gets into his red car and drives himself to the mall. Once there, he texts Brittany, are you almost there?
Yeah, I'll be there in 10.
People lose loved ones every single day. Now, Bob is actually getting kind of sad because it's been over an hour and Brittany has yet to show up. But Bob, being the good boyfriend and sexy man he is, he continues to wait. January 11, 2016. Rest in peace, Brittany. It only takes seconds to kill someone. One text can kill you as well. Life can be short if you make dumb choices. You must appreciate every single moment you get. Texting makes a crash 23 times more likely. Remember that no text is worth that. People have survived many years in cars without using a phone. That means you can as well. Even if it's from your great-grandma, it can wait until you are in park. So put the phones down. You don't want to live like Bob does, knowing the fact that his girlfriend is dead from a single text. We all know that texting while driving is dangerous, but did you know it was worse than driving under influence of alcohol? We don't want to be like Brittany, 6 feet under. Let the text wait.
Did you see she dyed her hair for the millionth time? Look at that! That's disgusting! And she already has a new boyfriend? Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe she has a new boyfriend. Are you kidding me? That's why I go to Starbucks.
Oh, I do.
Okay, listen, but I do care of it.
Oh my god. I can eat it.
Hey! Hi, David.
Hey, David.
Football game.
Yeah.
Wait.
Hey, what's up, man? Hey, what's up, man? Yeah, come on. Whatever.